Hello, this is Julie Hogue, and I am coming to you with another video that I made with my son for our DIY circuit kit. And this one is just a simple circuit. You can see on my blog all the components to make this DIY circuit kit. This is a great Christmas present or holiday gift for kids. It's creative, it's science-oriented, STEM, it's learning and fun together. In this one, we're just going to show you how to make a simple circuit, which is really simple. All you need is the 3 battery compartment. It is 3 AA batteries and a speaker. 2 pieces, simple battery, simple circuit, sorry. Okay, so we're going to show you how this works. So he's got the batteries all loaded in there, and he's going to twist the exposed wire from the battery holder and the speaker. And the rubber has been removed so that the wire is exposed. Now all he has to do is touch these two together and the speaker will make sound. And if anybody's scared of that, like pets, you may not want to do it around pets in case it scares them. Here we go. That's it. That's all it takes to build a simple circuit. Thanks for watching.